Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to add a pop-up to your Weebly website in only 5 minutes. Whether you are trying to increase user engagement or collect more leads, adding a pop-up is a highly effective way to upgrade your site's performance. To start, go to the official Weebly website. If you are not signed in yet, click the login button located in the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to your homepage where you can see all your websites. Click on the Edit Site button to proceed. Once you are inside the editor, look for the Apps option on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking this gives you access to a huge library of applications for your Weebly site. In the search bar, type Popup, and you will see a variety of different tools, including both free and premium versions. Choose the one that best fits your specific needs. After you have selected your preferred tool, click Add to start the installation process. Once the tool is installed, click Connect to allow the pop-up application to sync with your website. Now that the tool is connected, you can begin editing your pop-up template. This is your chance to be creative by customizing the design, text, and overall look to match your website's theme. When you are satisfied with the design, click Publish to save your changes. Next, click on Copy Code. This specific code is what makes the pop-up actually appear on your live site. Now, go back to your Weebly editor and find the section for custom elements. Click Show All Elements and look for the Embed Code option. Click and drag this code block to the exact section of your website where you want the pop-up to show up. After placing the block, click into it and paste the code you copied earlier. This step embeds the pop-up functionality directly into your web page. Finally, after you have pasted the code, click Exit to return to the normal view of your editor. That is all there is to it. You now know how to add a pop-up to your Weebly website. Remember to check your results and tweak the design based on user engagement. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.